in the primary school. Working on our bulbs, they've grown so fast. I'm starting to think they're training for a race.
Action! The daffodils are beginning to open and their yellow petals are easy to spot. They are standing upright and looking healthy. Scene 3, take 1.
The crocuses have also grown well and are showing their colors. We have checked the soil to make sure it stays moist.
Scene 4, take 1, action. We are pleased with how much progress the bulbs have made. We will continue to care for them.
Thank you for listening to our update.
Meet Year 6. Just a normal Year 6 class doing a normal Year 6 business.
A mystery box, I wonder what's inside.
The task was a big one, but we knew if we all worked together we could do it.
It was so fun. We loved watching these daffodils and crocuses grow. I loved measuring the rainwater.
It was a wonderful experience planting them. I loved the way that we've planted these flowers.
I loved checking the weather daily.
Primary school. This is where we're doing our Dina Trust project. This is where we planted our bulbs in the ground. As you can see, we have our daffodils and our crocuses, and we have our watermelons here. This is where we planted our bulbs in the pots. And as you can see, they started to grow a little bit. But crocuses and daffodils. This is our mystery bulb.
That's an iris.
I don't know what the other ones here are.
In the garden, plant a seed. Water it grows with speed. Flowers, veggies, trees so tall. Plants are friends, we love them all. Plant a garden, watch it grow. Nature's gifts from high to low. Caring for the earth we love. Help from the sky above. Veggies taste the best. Nature gives and never rests. Let's plant more, dig in the dirt. It's easy and fun, doesn't hurt.